Hey, is the fastest way to change your YouTube password. So open up YouTube app, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're here, you will see Google account. Tap on it. Your Google account, it's your YouTube account. So next step, you should log into the same account that you use on YouTube. You just tap on right corner of the screen of your Google account profile icon, then swipe from right to left. I show you. Proceed to security. You will see option over here. Once you're here, you just scroll down. Under how you sign in to Google, you will see password. Tap on it. Before next step, you should enter your current password. Alright, just tap on next when you enter your current password. And now you just enter 2 times new password over here and over here, and then tap on change password.